Good morning, my students. How are you? Are you ready for the lesson for today? Good. Okay, my students. So, our lesson for today will be about. So we have the sound. What do you think? What is the sound for today? I will not tell you. I will not tell you now. Okay, so our learning outcomes for today, we are gonna first to identify the sound through the story. Then we are gonna to recognize the sound into words. And then we are gonna to write the sound in 4 lines. So can you raise sounds and spelling book for me? Yes, good. So we are gonna today to use this book. Okay, my students? Excellent. Now, let's move. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So now we have a game. Okay, I want you to catch the card and say the word. Okay, I will press super gun and you are gonna to catch as much as you can from these cards. Okay, my students? And you are going to name the card that you catch. Yes? Well done. Here we have so many cards. Okay, what do you have, Ahmed? Sit. Well done. What about you, Umayma? Sad. Excellent. Ishaq, what do you have? Sun. Very good. What about you, Munaf? Snake. Well done. What about you, Aya? What do you have? Six. Yes. What about you, Aisha? What do you have? Sing. Excellent. Good, my students. You know all of these. Sit, sad, sun, snake, six, sing. Now, are you ready for the new sound? Let's go. Okay, my students, look at this picture. I want you to look at this picture. Listen to me. I'm gonna to tell you a story. I'm gonna to use all these here pictures in this picture, okay? Listen. First, can you name anything here in this picture? Do you know anything here? What do you see here? Apple. Well done. What else? Ant. Excellent. Okay, now listen to my story. One day, Ahmed, Ahmed went with his dad to the garden. Ahmed's dad was using his axe to cut woods. He used his axe, okay? And Ahmed was playing with his arrow. And he said to his dad, Daddy, look, I put the arrow in the correct place. His dad said, Well done, Ahmed. Then Ahmed saw an ant. A ant was climbing the tree. The ant wants to eat an apple. Ahmed said, Oh, the ant wants to eat an apple. And then Ahmed saw a very big alligator. He said to his dad, Daddy, look, there was there is an alligator there. So today we have the sound ah. We have the sound ah. Do you like the story, my students? Good. Now, can you point, listen, and point to the picture? Okay, listen and point. Listening 1.5. Apple, alligator, axe, ant, arrow. Listen and well done, my students. Excellent. So here we have apple, ant, arrow, alligator, and axe. Excellent. Now let's listen and chant. Okay, listen and chant. Chant 1.6. A, apple. A, alligator. A, axe. A, ant. A, arrow. Okay, now your turn, my students. You are going to say the chant, okay? Listen and chant. Track 1.7. Now your turn, my students. Okay, good. Now let's recognize the sound A in words. Okay, so here we are going to listen and repeat. Listen and repeat the word. Okay, my students? Track 1.7. Now your turn. Sorry. 1.8. A, apple. Okay, a, apple. Well done. Now, number 2. A, axe. A, axe. Yes. A, ant. Say, my students, yes. A, ant. Well done. A, arrow. Huh? A, arrow. Well done, my students. Now, I want you to follow the direction and circle A. What can we do? What should you do here? You have to follow this direction and circle the A. Okay? And while you are doing this, I want you to say the sound and the word. Okay? Let's start. Apple. Well done. Let's make a circle for the sound A. Good. Now let's move. Yes. Oh, not like that. Okay. You have to be very careful. Like this. Okay. So what do we have here? Axe. Well done. So let's make a circle for the sound A. Good. Now complete. Beep. Yes. What do we have here? Ant. Excellent. Can you make a circle for the sound A? Good. Great job. Now let's move again. Yes. On. Yes, move your car. Yeah. Well done. What do we have here? Arrow. Well done. Arrow. Let's make a circle for the sound. Good. Excellent. Okay. So now how can we write this sound How many lines we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How can we write the sound Look here. You are going first to make a circle like this. Round, up, down, flick. Yes, very good. Now let's write it in the 4 lines. Let's write it first in the air. Yes, can you do it? Yes, with your finger. Round, up, down, flick. Very good. Now, how many lines we have here? 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we start from line number 1? No. Don't touch line number 1. Line number 2? Yes. Line number 3? Yes. Line number 4? No. Okay. Now let's see how can we write it? Like this. From the dot, start from this dot. Round. Okay. Then up, down, flick. Okay, again, start from the dot, round, up, down, flick. Now trace this one and copy. You have to write here. What do we have to write? A sound like this. From the dot, round, up, down, flick. Okay, my students? Can you do the rest? Well done. Now let's move. Listen and point. Okay, you are gonna to listen and point. Listen. Listening 1.9. Ant, apple, arrow, axe. Good. Now can you write the sound A? Yes, what do we have here? And. So what is the missing sound? Is A. Round, up, down, flick. And. Well done. Now what do we have here? Apple. What is missing here? A. Okay, can you write A? Yes, round, up, down, flick. Excellent. What about this? Arrow. Well done. Can you write A? Good. Start from this dot, then round, up, down, flick. Arrow. Okay. Axe. Excellent. Round, up, down, flick. Okay, now let's move. Let's move. Okay, so here we have ant, apple, number 3, arrow, number 4, axe. Well done, great. Okay, Let's move. Okay, here, look and say the sounds. Look at this picture. What do we have here? No, it's not apple. Yes, alligator. Well done. Okay, circle A. Here we have to circle the sound A. Is it A? No. Is this A? No. Is this A? Yes. So circle the sound A here. What about this? Is it A? No. What about here? What do we have? Yes, we have A. So circle. Okay, do the rest. I want to see if you know the A sound. Good. Now, let's have this game. We'll finish our lesson by this game. What is the name of this game? We don't like snakes. We don't like snakes. What shall we do here? Look, my students, look at the wall. We have some pictures for sound S, and in the other side we have pictures for sound A. Well done. Now I want Khaled, come here. Omar, yes. Who wants to participate with me? Yes. Aya, come. And who? Ahmed or Faisal. Faisal, come here. Okay. Now I want you to stand like this. Yes. Make a line. Good. Excellent. Okay. Now, listen to me. When I say any word start with sound like snake, sun, okay, six, sit, sad, you have to move to this side. If I say any words from here like apple, ant, alligator, arrow, axe, you have to come to this side. But remember, we don't like snake. We don't like snakes. So please don't do like snake. You have to all move at the same time. Okay? Like a line. Straight line like this. No one should be late. Okay, my students, do you understand what you have to do? Good. Now, my students, are you ready? I will say a sound. Okay. Okay, my students. Now listen. Sit. Good. Excellent. Okay. Ant. Well done. Arrow. Good. Okay. Snake. Excellent. Do you like this game? Good. So we don't like snakes. You have to be very quick when you move, and also you have to be in online. Okay, apple. 6. Excellent. That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.